Hello, welcome everybody to the stream. We're going to jump straight into it. We've got a lot to do today. Obviously, if this is the first time you're seeing me, I'm Rain. I am building a application for Tidal, which is hopefully going to fix all the most of the issues that it's currently experiencing. I'm currently just making sure we are live, making sure it's all working properly. Okay, we are having an issue with the thumbnail, so I will quickly attempt to fix that. Thumbnail, upload thumbnail. Okay. Let's take a picture of Codex. Sorry guys, I'm just getting a thumbnail. I was unaware it would do it like this, but this is the thing with coding in public. So we'll get that open and we'll get Claude open. We will take a picture and we will upload that to this. We will get this done extremely quickly and get it out of the way. Upload image. Boom. We now have a better. Okay, that is the first problem sorted. So our main task for right now is to get a web page up and running with the build plan so anyone is able to access it who may be interested in this. There we go. Everything is up, running smoothly. We appear. Very good. Chat is working. Awesome. Right, let's not waste any more time and let's get straight into it. We'll get some non-copyrighted background music on. There we go. Music's on. Awesome. So we currently have a few things. So I need to read the analysis that Codex read up for me about the name Cadence. So Cadence does not seem to be a good name, so I will open up another GBT and I will ask it to find me some more names. We will paste this in and we will say because Cadence isn't a viable option, could you identify, we can just use text-to-speech. Because Cadence isn't a viable option, could you identify some names which could be, you can refer back to your initial naming research. Please find some more. There we go. We are sending this off and we will send this off as a deep research. Make a PDF at the end so we can thingy it. There we go. File upload pending. It's uploading. we go. We can send that off and put that in a menu somewhere that can be seen. Just leave that like that. So we need to get Codex to build us a landing page, a super simple CSS, HTML. That'll be the tech stack. We can get that set up immediately. So Codex, get that open. We are using GPT 5.4, the latest model. Fantastic model. There we go. Get that open up. Whilst this is doing research on the names. So we can open up the feature list. We can get another GPT window to convert this feature list into buildable plan. Convert this feature spec to a buildable plan for Codex to create. Convert this PDF to a buildable plan for Codex to create a website which outlines the goal of this project. It is purely to make a web page so people can look at what we are attempting to make. There we go. Get that on the job. Awesome, awesome. Not really feeling this song. I'm gonna skip it. We are listening on the Foco Clear MGs through the Topping DX3 Pro Plus DAC amp, if anybody is interested. We need to find out what GPT has made. Let's go ahead and read over GPT's plan. Build a marketing website that clearly explains the content of the roadmap. Yep. You know what? Honestly, we are just going to give it a whirl. I'm not a fan of this song. npm run dev install. Awesome, awesome. We need to make a directory. MDR livestream. CD livestream. Codex in livestream. Now this is more my pace. We are going to paste this plan into Codex, turn it into plan mode, and let Codex make a plan to make the web page, which we will then host on our server. We can set that up right now. Ready to be... Oh, I don't have the domain name yet, so... Because we are currently doing analysis on what name we should call this, which will fit the best for marketing and that sort of stuff. Omit for now, keeps the foot clean, which placeholder links until real destinations exist. Absolutely, we need to get Git set up in this repository as well, so we can version control. I will show you guys something in a second to say that we have already made sure that this is possible. Awesome sauce. Fastest and safest way for a static export of all details. Sure, it's a simple page. So we currently have, I open up another Codex menu and I go to CD range Tidal Codex. Find me the latest exe. Find me the absolute latest exe that's built. I will show you that we have already... Oh, that's not correct. Okay. Let's go into here. Rain. Activity. We have the absolute C There we go. I've copied that wrong. Ah, sorry guys, I have made a really rookie mistake. We are in the wrong folder. Find me the absolute latest DXC and give me the C. Codex is currently offering 2 times credits as well, which is fantastic. We need to get a... You know what? I will implement it and we will work from there. There we go. We can run this. We have... We can go ahead and run. I don't know why it keeps... That was a nightmare for no reason. As you can see, this UI is really messed up. Okay, so if we go to Tidal, we are connected to Discord. We can run, as you can see, it has found the song. If we go over to Discord, you'll be able to see we have integration. As you can clearly see there is a button that says listen on Tidal, but Discord does not display that to the local user, but it is there. This is one of the features that will be included in Tidal Toolkit, although it'll be much cleaner GUI than this. This is just a development GUI. Let's turn this off before we get a copyright strike. So that is a feature that will be coming. We are currently making the webpage if you would like to check it out when it is done. Let's see, it is still going for that. Our plan is done, and we are really just waiting on Codex now to code the web page. Okie doke. Okay. Running npm install ran. Npm is blocked. It will sort that out. Then we will be able to cd ourselves into a live stream, and we'll be able to run npm dev. And that will run it on localhost, and we'll be able to see what it has come up with so far. GPT 5.4, I have been using it. It has been fairly good at UI to begin. I have been impressed by its capability. This music is really terrible. Let's go to their most popular tracks, because NCS has some good tracks. There we go. A track that we could all recognize. Right, that has narrowly done. We are not using much of our NVENC encoder. That's surprising. Tennis music a little bit on the Topping Sticks Free Pro Plus that. Whilst we do that, I will go ahead and show what we are intending to make whilst we wait. So these are the features that the web page will say: Discord presence, inboard scrobbling, the ability to merge your Last.fm data and your Tidal data directly to us, so we can build accurate, detailed analytics like never seen before for Tidal. One of the biggest issues for Tidal is the analytics are terrible. The API points that Tidal provides are shocking. It's got to be done on board. We are looking to see if we are capable. There we go. The website is this is what it has come up with. As I said, guys, GPT 5.4 has fantastic UI. This is a fantastic base website. We just need to give it some better prompts now. Let's get this in the middle of the page. Okey-doke. We will get the marketing off the screen for now and just get what's important: codecs and the website itself. So what am I going to change on the homepage? So the missing social and an analytics layer for Tidal. I like that. Tidal Toolkit, it's a placeholder name. As we said, we are currently researching, as we speak, the name. Tidal is incredible, but incomplete. Tidal has limited. Tidal lacks native tools for presence, listening together, and collaborative discovery. Weak listening analytics. Hey, so on the problem where it says Tidal is incredible but incomplete, we have limited social features, weak listening analytics, and library reliability issues. However, you have these weird boxes inside of the speech bubble. Could we either give that an emoji or something, or could we remove them because they just look cluttered? There we go. We will get GPT 5.4 on Medium. This is the new model, just released 2 days ago. I've been using it, and it is fantastic. As you can see there, it's gone ahead and done it. Tidal is incredible, but incomplete. Solution: a companion platform built around Tidal. Tidal called it, sits along the Tidal app and provides a modern companion layer for social context, listening intelligence, and reliability tooling without requiring complex setup, social presence, listening intelligence, library health monitoring, collaborative listening tools. Hey, so on the solution tab, I really like it, but you've got social presence, listening intelligence, library health monitoring, and collaborative listening tools. Could you change this to something that the average person could understand better? So I would like you to better explain what they mean. There we go. Send that over to GPT 5.4, and I'm certain it will be done. You know what? For now, that's fine. Let's remove the... No, we will change that. Core product pillars, Discord presence, yes. Hey, so let's rethink the core product pillars. Could you keep it, but do a different spin on it? I don't like the current thing. Maybe switch up the styling as well. We want this website to be extremely simple. We want people to know what we're making, what it will do for them. I love this roadmap. Vision, make Tidal feel alive. Love that. A lightweight public roadmap. Project roadmap features. Awesome. Right. Tidal Toolkit, the missing social analytics layer for Tidal. Tidal Toolkit is a lightweight companion platform designed to bring deeper listening insight, richer social features, and stronger reliability tooling to Tidal's system. Tidal is incredible, but incomplete. Limited social features, weak listening analytics, and library reliability issues. A companion platform built around Tidal. What it does: simple tools to make Tidal easy to use. It shows what you're playing, keeps your music history together, catches library issues early, understand your listening, listen together more easily. That's a good start. We like that. A closer look at how the toolkit expands the Tidal experience. Discord integration, listening intelligence. Let's really capitalize on the listening intelligence. Let's really make sure that people know that we are going to have analytics which are deeper, more personalized, and more useful than any other platform. Really make sure to mention that Tidal does not have the correct things to do deep analysis, whereas this app will monitor your listening and form the information needed to achieve that. The roadmap, that's great. I really like that. Really gonna need this to hurry up. Could you speed this up a bit, please? Deeper analytics than Tidal exposes on its own. Detailed event tracking that builds strong listening data set over time. Artist steps analysis and replay behavior, time of day patterns. Linked listening. let's put listening intelligence before Discord integration. Let's put Last.fm merge within the listening intelligence as a subcategory. Make sure to make this look professional and clean. And we need to add more emphasis on linked listening and collaborative playlists. So maybe make a social and personal area. I'll let you have the ball game on that. Just make sure you follow my instructions. Hey, put Discord integration below link listening and collaborative playlists. And guys, very interesting, well done. Thank you very much. And what this is, guys, Agentic Engineering, as you can see how easy it is, we are making changes to this website in live time. I'm telling Codex what to do, it's happening. Now you can see, for the future of development and software engineering, this is the future. You're going to be able to make changes at a rapid rate. Social features to make listening feel shared instead of isolated. The social layer is designed to make Tidal feel alive again. The social layer is designed to make Tidal feel alive again. From showing you what you're playing to joining sessions and managing music together. All the features you've missed, we've created. Word that in your own way so it sounds good. Make sure it says somewhere on the website that we are listening to your concerns. We have done detailed analysis of what people want for Tidal and what people complain about. And we are aiming to fix them issues. That is our goal. Make sure that it says on the website that we are on a 30-day development sprint. This will be accessible to you and then put the date 30 days from now and make it count down to that. Make sure that is a key. See, like, look at this website, guys. We are throwing this together super duper quickly, and this is just so if anybody has questions, wants to know what we're working on, this is it. This will be updated. You will see it be updated throughout the live streams over the next 30 days. Can you also add a section? I will give you the link to my YouTube channel. Can you say that we are live streaming this to the public? You can see this being built every day. I will be live every single day building this website. Guys, and again, if you've never seen agentic engineering before, I know all this can look extremely complicated, but all you need to know that is within the right hands, miracles can happen. As you've seen, this website has been thrown together so fast. And if any of you are wondering, well, why aren't you putting more time on the website? The goal is not the website. The goal is to make a toolkit for Tidal, which solves your problems, which you've had. Let's all admit it. Tidal is a fantastic application. We all love it. The prices are reasonable. The music library is amazing. The way they treat their artists is phenomenal. These are all fantastic things. But it has some problems. When you swap from Spotify, you missed your friends. You miss live sessions. You miss detailed analytics. Now, no longer. So we need to go ahead and get on our YouTube. Give it the... There we go. We will give it the... So this, I think this needs some work. I love this. Hey, so I really like the website, but I think we need some better animations. Could you make it so when you scroll down the page, there is animations? What a tune, by the way, guys. I'm not sure. This is a absolute classic NCS. Let me just turn this up. I want to listen to this for a second. Listening on the Focal Clear MGs through a Toppings DX3 Pro Plus, if anyone is wondering. This is an audio-centered stream with an audio-centered goal. So we are going to need to make anti-bot measures for this, but luckily Tidal know what it's doing. What a tune, guys. What a tune. This is taking forever. We will just leave it, it's fine. We will paste this over to Codex and it will fix the problem. This is, again guys, if you are just tuning into the stream, this is agentic engineering. This is what it is. It is so capable. If you've never seen it before, it must look like witchcraft. Yeah, these animations aren't going to cut it. Hey, so these animations are a really good step forward, but the web page does not load smoothly, as you'd say. When you scroll down, stuff appears out of nowhere. It's like it's hidden. It needs to be a bit more flowy. Could you have another go at this, please? I do like the direction, though. That's an idea. When you hover over a point, it just... See, like that. Oh. There we go, that works. Sorry guys, got a bit focused there, forgot to speak. Just what happens when you get in a development mindset. Okay, the website is really taking shape now. I'd like you to go through and make sure everything is worded professionally and explains clearly what we are attempting to achieve. Just go through and change anything which you think could be better. This is Agentic Engineering. If anyone is just tuning in, this is Agentic Engineering. It is using tools such as Codex, which you may know as ChatGPT, using tools like Claude, Gemini, or any of your other coding. It may look complicated, but it is not. We currently have ChatGPT doing a deep research on names for us. It is taking absolutely forever. And we are working on a quick homepage, so anyone who joins the streams, who wants to know what we're creating, and doesn't understand, can just take a look. We are listening to NCS, non-copyrighted sounds, and we are listening on the Vocal Clear MGs for a Toppings DX3 Pro Plus. We are working on a Tidal application. So currently, we are not being productive. So I'm going to figure out something that I can do whilst Codex is... No. I love that. That is beautiful. Deeper analytics than Tidal currently exposes on its own. Social features that make listening feel shared instead of isolated. The social layer is designed to make Tidal feel alive again by restoring the shared feature people have been enjoying. Showing what you're playing, joining listening sessions, and managing music together more naturally. The link stream. Is that a bug? Or is that a one's on? Shareable session links that other senders use synchron. Hey, so I'm getting a slight graphical error on the social features area. When I highlight text, I just get a little bit of weird coloring on the lower area. Could you just inspect the code and see why this is happening and fix it? This won't really be a big issue, so it won't require a full rebuild or anything. The reason I said that, guys, is to make sure that it doesn't go crazy, because we like the current website. Yeah, that's weird. That might be an error. Let's have a look. See if I can recreate the bug. There we go, fixed. Hey, let's change the planned milestone from version 0.1 to version 0.5 to version 1. Let's do phase 1 as the landing page. Actually, you just decide. It doesn't have to be entirely accurate, I've got to be honest. It's more of a placeholder. I think the feature deep dive. Hey, I don't like that it's dropped down, because 1, 2, and 3, and then you got 4 below. I don't like that. I preferred the previous way you had it. Could you just go ahead and do what I asked? Could we go ahead and either remove what it does, or could we remake it? I think feature deep dive is far better than what it does. Hey, on the... Hey, on the social, the Discord integration bubble is not as long as collaborative players and linked listening. Could you fix that, please? If anyone is just joining the stream, this is Agentic Engineering. The animations feel ever so slightly delayed. Could we speed this up? Hey, it appears to be... Oh. Hey, the animations appear to be slightly delayed. Could we speed these up? And I am getting an error. I am unsure if it is an old error or a new error. Could you take a look at it and see if it has any relevance? If it does, could you fix it? This stream is probably only going to be about an hour, by the way, guys. This is just a start, you know, to get the ball moving. But we will be back tomorrow, do not worry. Within the next 13 minutes, this website will be done. We will get it done. Let's put built-in public below feature deep dive. I think that would be... Let's reword. We are building Tidal Toolkit in a focused 30-day development sprint. That sounds too developer to me. The end consumer will not care for that. Let's change out on the problem library reliability issues to either something different or give more context. No. That is not it, Chief. Rego. I'm not really liking the whole Unreal libraries and playlists thing. Could we swap that to a different type of card? Now resize all of the bubbles on problem so they look uniform. Let's change the solution so wording isn't like show friends what you're listening to in real time. It's I had it and I've lost it. It's display what you're listening to friends in real time. Understand you're listening with clear analytics and patterns with more in-depth detail than any other competitor, but don't use competitor. Word these in a way which you think is good. Keep up to track with your library health instead of get notified when tracks disappear. Join shared listening sessions with other people. That should also be changed. Join shared listening experiences more naturally with other people. That sounds so weird. Could we reword that? Let's reword the solutions description. It's a bit long-winded and a bit too much. Let's keep it short and snappy, but detailed. That's fantastic. Could you mention somewhere about how this is going to be foolproof? It's going to be plug and play. It's not going to be like all these other applications which are offered for Tidal, where they're extremely complex, extremely long-winded, constantly buggy, weird feature set. I don't know where you're going to put that, but please put that somewhere on the web page. Could you put somewhere on the webpage how this is not like all the other current Tidal integrations where they're complex, buggy, don't work, overcomplicated? This is foolproof. It is plug and play. Anyone can use this. Put that somewhere on the app, please. Pardon me. Okay, clearly we're having some issues. I'll speak more clearly. Could you write somewhere on the web page that this is unlike other Tidal integrations that are overcomplex, buggy, and do not provide anywhere near the same amount of features and tools as this? This is plug and play. It is simple and anyone could use this application. Right guys, we have another 5 minutes to get this web page done and dusted, and that will be the first Agentic Engineering live stream. But don't worry, we will be back tomorrow. No, this needs to be more of a point because it's quite important, because I think you need to highlight it a bit more. I don't think the current way you've done it highlights that fact enough. Let's change plug and play to foolproof. Now make it less wordy. You've used Tidal Toolkit too many times. I'd like you to change the planned milestones. I'd like you to rethink it. I like the idea, but I don't like how it looks on the current website. Could you also highlight that on the vision area, that Tidal Toolkit is shaped by concerns built from real feedback? So it's not highlighted enough. Love that. Beautiful. You've made Discord integration not be uniformed with collaborative playlists and linked listening again. Right guys, one more minute and we are going to be hopping off most likely. Don't worry, we will still be developing, but you know, for first live stream, I need to get the hang of it. Let's get rid of the limited social features, weak listening analytics, and disconnected listening history. Let's do problem. Title is incredible but incomplete. Solution. And all the blue text I'd like to be slightly bigger or bolder. Again, guys, if you're just tuning in, this is Agentic engineering. It is an extremely capable way of coding and making applications. As you've seen, we have put together this website during this 1 hour stream. This is the homepage for Tidal. We have a deep research. Let's export it to a PDF. Let's I'll sort that out at another. I don't like how the display what you're listening and understand and keep up look. It just looks a bit out of place. I really like the solution and the foolproof, but I think we could remove them because the feature deep dive is right below it. Now make the solution and foolproof more uniform to the size of the box. Feature deep dive, a closer look at personal and social layers around Tidal. It looks a bit out of place now. Could you make this look more snazzy? It's really got to grab people because these are the features. Now that's a website. Could you just snazz up the animations just a little bit more, please? What a website, guys. Again, just a homepage. I'm going to get Gemini on a task. Could we add some sort of mouse related animations? So potentially, like, if you hover over something, it like gets slightly bigger or something like that. Something that's clean, minimal, but noticeable. What a tune, guys. We're going to turn this up. Again, we're listening on the Focal Clear MGs. Through the Topping DX3 Pro Plus, we are listening to no copyrighted sounds. If you're wondering what this song is, this is Shipwreck and Zookeepers. We are doing Agentic engineering. If you've never heard about Agentic engineering before, do not worry, you are in the place. We are using it to build Tidal Toolkit, which you'll be able to find out all about it on our website, which we are currently building. But Agentic engineering is using applications like Codex, which is ChatGPT, as you may know it, to speed up the process of development. It is the modern way. Let's make it so the thing, the bubble that you are over the most. So for instance, if in the middle of my page, build in public is, it should zoom in a little bit more, if that makes sense. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and call it quits to the first day of building Tidal Toolkit. I will be back tomorrow with a much better product to show, with the website set up and a much more professional stream outlet. I just wanted to make sure I made this to keep myself accountable, that we are going to be developing this. So thank you for tuning in. This has been Agentic Engineering with Rain. Have a good rest of your day.